I was just telling Peter that this whole room is basically made for me and my mom. Here's why. The color of the chairs. I have a blue chair, there's green chairs. It's the color of my college dorm room, and pretty much all of my mom's and my colors. And then if you look at the floor, they look like azul tiles from our favorite board game. We just have to come here, Mom.
Today we're flying to our next country.
Ish.
We're flying into Hong Kong tonight as a way to get a layover into our trip to London. We're heading off to the airport. We do have a very long wait. Checkout here is at 12. Our flight is after 7. So we're heading to the airport early just to hang out.
It's like an hour to drive there. Yeah, hopefully they let us in, but
We'll still be several hours ahead of schedule.
as
It'll be
per
good.
usual.
Yeah, it'll be good.
This is something random, but in each country we try to learn like the words like hello, thank you, things like that. Here in Vietnam we haven't been saying thank you in Vietnamese as much because it's a tonal language. So like come un is thank you, but come on is shut up. And so we're just a little hesitant to say shut up to someone.
But first, we're gonna go get some coffee. Gonna get one more egg coffee before we leave Vietnam. And I think it's turned out to be a great day so far.
And then postcards.
What are they doing?
Fire training. It's like residence life training from college. They have their own playlist. I love that.
Begin by tasting the freshly whipped egg yolk.
Experience the fresh infinite slab. Pour the freshly brewed coffee into the egg cream as you want. Mix the espresso egg cream into everything.
Step 1. Taste the whipped yolk. It's like marshmallow. That's the consistency, yeah. Espresso shot. Now we get the nice consistency of egg coffee. I didn't think I'd be drinking from this. I'm gonna miss this. I'm gonna miss this a lot. I finished it in a minute, so we're gonna head off now to the store and get back because we have under an hour to get all ready and picked up by the bus. Car. Transportation.
Store, then postcards, and maybe a little souvenir or something for someone else.
Alright, we just got back to the hotel. Now we gotta pack up because we have 24 minutes to get everything together and get down to the lobby.
We don't like cutting it close at all, do we?
We don't like cutting it close, but we do cut it close.
Every time.
So we got everything we neted. We're packing up. We're heading out.
So today, domestic or international?
International.
Everything goes so far, right?
So
Yeah.
good, so good.
So happy to hear
Thank
that.
you so much. I can take that bag.
Yes.
Tonight the sky is covered up with
And finally, we've made it to the airport. It is just before 1 o'clock and our flight is after 7. So we're gonna go see, I don't think we can check in, but maybe we can find a shop. If we can't, we'll find a coffee shop and hang out, right?
We love travel days. Like, it's weird.
All right, let's check it out.
We have to wait 3 hours, but we kind of expected that. So today we don't mind it.
So our first thought is the Burger King or the other sandwich shop?
Or we can go upstairs.
Or upstairs. Let's check it out. You think it's still gonna be too strong?
I do. Mm-hmm. It's gonna be way too strong. It's very strong, but sweet. It's like a sweet, strong. Yeah.
Out of security, and now we're heading to our lounge for the next 2 hours or so. Getting a lunch and dinner and just enjoying the time we got here.
Does that mean it's a dinner?
What?
Or a dunch?
Sorry?
Does that mean it's a dinner or is it a dunch?
Verdict's still out. Perfect. All right, all set in this lounge?
I believe so.
All right, let's go to our
You have
gate.
everything?
Yes.
And you have your boarding passport and
Yep.
mine? Okay. I can take mine.
All right, good to go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Heading to our flight now. It's about like a 2-hour flight, I think, and a time zone change. And if we're lucky, we get 4 or 5 hours of sleep.
Probably more like 4-ish.
All right. Hopefully it's a quick flight. Kristin's favorite spot in this airport.
This kid zone is awesome.
I can't believe we missed this. We stayed in a lounge when we could have been playing.
Stop mocking me.
Made it to our gate, so now we're gonna board and have a great flight. Off to Hong Kong. This is our first cabin. Yeah. It is economy, but it's good. And this wasn't a work flight for us.
Good evening, everyone.
We've landed in Hong Kong. Thank you. We are getting a taxi to our hotel because we don't want to have to fight the trains tonight.
One quick taxi ride later. Very fast taxi ride. He was going 30 to 40 kilometers below the speed limit at times.
Okay.
And was video messaging somebody almost the entire time. Or voice messaging someone the entire time. I apprehensive.
Well, we made it, and we're gonna go to bed.
This place is epic. We're in Zambia.
Okay. This will do for a night for sure. Thanks for the upgrade.
Never got upgraded in my life, and I got upgraded 2 nights in a row. You got upgraded? Legit rainfall showerhead. Wow. And normal toilet.
Well, we're gonna go explore for however much time.
Literally the coolest hotel ever. I'm so bummed we only have a night. It's ridiculous. So creative. Guess what? We're going to Greece at some point.
We've made it back from our tour, and at least one of us is exhausted, so
This is
We're
the coolest hotel ever.
We're gonna head to bed, get up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. Are you ready?
Technically, we're gonna get up at like 4:15.
Are you ready?
No.
No, me neither. But that's what the plane's for. It's a 14-hour flight tomorrow. And we'll be sure to sleep on the plane and get ready for London.